Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy F34 and today I would like to show you how you can edit passwords saved in Google Passwords Autofill. Begin by going into Settings and scrolling down to access Google section. Now tap on Autofill. Autofill with Google and Google Password Manager. Following that, tap on one of your passwords that you wish to edit and enter your current login method. Then select Edit button right next to the delayed one and change wherever you wish to. When you're done, click on Save at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, my password has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!